Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can change the language with the Samsung Galaxy J3, J5 or J7 in a version of 2017. So first of all, let me tell you, whatever language you have on your phone, the symbols and the position I will show you now will be always the same. Okay, let us start to go to the settings like this. Then we have here the symbols for the settings. Tap it. So now we are in the settings and we have to scroll down until we see that point here, General Management. It is with this symbol here. Tap it. And now the first point is Language and Input. Tap it. And again the first point is Language. Tap it. Okay. May you have now on this page already your language. If not, we go later here on Add Language, but if you have here already your language, you can just adjust with these arrows here to put it in the front, go on Done, and you have already your language. Let me show it. If I want to put it in German, I go on German with the arrows. I have it here now, and I go on Done, and I have everything in German. Okay, but I want to show you how to add another language. If it's not here already, then go on Add Language. So with a plus, huh? So, and done. You choose the language you want to choose. May let us choose English. And now you are able to choose a dialect as well. So may let us take the dialect from Bermuda, the island in the Atlantic Ocean. So, and now you can go directly on Set as default. Tap it. And now English from Bermuda is our language now. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.